What's up, guys? This is Travis out here in the Everything Attachments factory. It's all fired up, running wide open today. Thought it'd be a fitting place to start this little unplanned walkthrough. I was just gonna walk through and look around, but got so much good stuff going on back here. Thought I'd make you guys a little video, let you see what's happening. Over here at Dave's station, that's one of the first steps of these tooth bars. So they get customized, get the bevels on them. Got some order numbers here. These things are moving through very fast, and we've sold a ton. So this will be kind of a test to see what's going to happen, you know, with a quick lead time on these tooth bars being on a quick ship. Even if the price goes back to normal or close to normal, there's nothing normal about it though, because this thing is it's a freak as far as what it'll do to your tractor bucket, allow you to do. I'm sure there's going to be a lot more of you out there believing after this sale's over, which is to my knowledge, unless anything changes, it ends today at midnight. So don't miss that. Also, something else, we're moving into the quick ship program. That's a new phrase. I'm gonna have to get used to that. Quick ship and EA, but how about it? Look at these wicked buckets. Those things are they've been rolling through. What an awesome value. Somebody that wants to order a tractor with a bucket or without a bucket and get a wicked for it instead, well, you need that bucket pretty quick. So that's what we're working towards, getting these buckets out. A lot of them have been here lately, about 4 to 6 weeks. Just I didn't look, but the lead time is coming down, so that's very exciting. Something else that I've said for a long time, if you watch my videos, you probably heard it repeatedly, but something that should always ship quick, in my opinion, pallet forks. You know, if you need pallet forks, it's not something you're usually going to plan 4 months in advance. So right now, these compact forks with the 42-inch off-the-shelf tines over there, not our hard ox tines, but those off-the-shelf tines, which it's very slightly heavier than the hard ox tines. They are imported, whereas our hard ox tines are 100% USA made here in the house. But these compact forks, the best frame you can buy for a compact tractor. It's got our hard ox rail, hard ox 450, you know that good, on the top and the bottom. Every one of these top rails goes through Dave. He puts a nice bevel on it so it slides easily. Hey, look what's still available here. Look, that's about a 1,100 pound 72-inch box blade, 60 to 125. Yeah, she's wicked. So we can roll that thing out the door today. It's not cheap, but good ain't cheap, and cheap ain't good. So how's that for a little saying here? As far as quick shipping here lately, pine straw rakes have been going out fast. Post hole diggers are going out fast. We have our garden bedders, get them while they're going out fast. Over here, I see an EA potato plow. Now, you know, I've been selling this stuff for a long time, and potato plow is something that, you know, dime a dozen. Usually, nothing very special, but if you look at the beam on that potato plow that we make, got that 18-inch point made here in-house. So I mean, we could go cheap on it, but That's not us. We're gonna offer you guys the best. So these ship ground to your house. All those buckets there. We'll just roll in through here, see what's going on. I had really no plans of doing this, like I said earlier, but once I get started, I'll just keep it rolling. So right here, we'll bring you to the last step of these tooth bars. We call them little worm there. So a little added bonus here. Most of the tooth bars that are going out, instead of being 1/2 inch thick, these things have actually been 5/8 thick. So you may or may not get one that's 5/8, but most of the ones they're working on now, they're 5/8, which really isn't needed, but hey, it's just a little added bonus, a little icing on the cake. We had the material here. Definitely not gonna hurt anything to give you more than you bargained for. It'd be a little more for us to ship, obviously, but hey, how about throwing something on sale and then giving the customer more than they ordered, more than they paid for? That's just it's not something that happens nowadays. It's usually the other way around. So if you've been looking around here, you can tell big Wicked 60 batches rolling through. There's some orange Wicked buckets back there. So we'll up there's some naked Wicked 60s. Look at that. Got to go up. Oh, we got a bath going on. Got Tristan there. Wicked 60, 400 pounds. Let's roll on over here. It's a 48-inch orange brush cutter in assembly there. The guys had a couple. Right there's another one, yellow. Got some Wicked 60s in orange over there in assembly. We're probably more behind right now on the Wicked 55. It seems like it comes in phases. We'll get caught up. Well, not caught up, but right with our lead time estimates on one, then we'll roll to another one with a batch, and so it's just a cycle. It's gonna happen, but this big batch of Wicked 60s, good to see rolling through. Got Arthur there, right here. I know David. I know you've been waiting to see some of these Wicked land planes. David Perrin, he actually requested yesterday some factory pictures. We were a man down in the office, so I didn't quite make it out then. But Dave, I hope this is what you want to see here. So I'm very confident your black Signature Series land plane Wicked will be in this stack here somewhere. We got some more Wicked buckets there. So the Wicked bucket, if you just order a Wicked bucket like it is on the website, just the one part number, it'll come standard with this Wicked edge bolted on. And there's another option, a part number you can order here. It's a reversible cutting edge, so it'll already have a welded on edge standard and the Wicked edge, or you can request this to be standard. But if you order the part number in addition, you'll get the Wicked edge and the reversible cutting edge, which that's what's going on with this one right here. That makes sense? If not, ask me. I'll be glad to go into more detail. Just take you on down here a little bit. Try not to get some of that sparks on me. Got some hard ox. There's those 100% hard ox times. Something else that was pretty cool when I walked through here before I knew I was really going to video. I just wanted to see kind of a hint of what was going on, which I normally don't even do. But one of the welders here. This fella right here, I gotta get his name, but it's a little loud. I'll learn it. He says he watches my videos every week. He checks YouTube, so that's awesome to hear. You know, it's one thing to hear you guys who are current and potential customers keeping up with us, you know, watching the walkthroughs, but to hear a fellow employee follow along, that's pretty cool. I love to hear about it. So there's another wicked bucket. Can't hide that America right there. We'll take you on over here. We got Harrison. Harrison's welding up some wicked tooth bars. He said he'd be glad when this sale's over. I think he's getting a little bit tired, but I told him, heck, you never know, we might keep it rolling another week or so. But I think you know, we don't just let anybody weld these wickies. I can feel the heat coming off this thing. So this is Ryan's protege, however you say it there. I'm not French, but we got Harrison here. I think he passed the Ryan's welding test with flying colors. I'll come back and grade him later. Make sure I can show him how to do this right. Look at that. That's some of the 5/8 right there I was telling you about. So, well, that's a pretty quick little circle here. I say quick, we're about 12 minutes in. I'm gonna head back in here in the office, see if things got fired up yet. Got some landscape rakes going on right there. Another wicked 60. There's got to be at least 60, 75 of those wicked 60s. I hope you guys enjoyed the little tour. Don't miss out on this wicked sale. Oh, one more thing I was going to tell you about that wicked tooth bar. So, there's one more. You know, we've made a big entrance into this tooth bar game, and it was really needed. But one more thing I'll tell you is another brand that gets mentioned pretty frequently, and frankly, I don't really like seeing it. But that's why it's an open marketplace, and you know, people can make and sell as they see fit and buy. But you know, we have a new plasma here, brand new plasma. We're getting ready to fire it up, and instead of having these serrated edges cut with the laser and then milled by Dave, that plasma, it can simply cut the tooth bar. It can do the bevel. It won't have the serrations, but it'll resemble that other brand of tooth bar out there. But where the main difference of superiority comes is the wicked smooth is going to be Hardox 450, and we all know what that's going to do to it. And the price is going to be right there with that other brand. So you're buying material, you're buying metal, so just buy the best. Choose EA. Man, we got some flying washers out here. I better be careful. It's raining washers. Little worm over there, I think he's taking a break from them tooth bars for a second. But anyway, guys, that's enough about that. You can ask me about the tooth bars. We'll offer that other smooth tooth bar for the same price as the sale price on these wicked ones for right now. So the wicked ones, after the sale's over, they're going to go back up. I don't know if they'll go all the way back to where they were. We'll still have somewhat of a sale price, but I think the new tooth bars, and I know I'm sounding all kinds of organized in this talking here. That's sarcasm, because I really didn't think about it. But this new tooth bar with the smooth edges, no serrations, it should come in at the same spot as the sale price of the Wicked right now. So if you would rather have one of those instead of the Wicked today for the sale price, I'll hook you up. If you order one next week, it'll probably be at the sale price as the Wicked now, if that makes sense. So like I say, drop me some comments, questions. I'm here for you guys all the time. I hope you guys are having a good Wednesday. I'm gonna go back in here in the office like I said I was going to about 5 minutes ago. But we'll look at some Wicked rippers on the way out. Thank you guys for the support. Keep the Wicked tooth bar talk alive, because there's no reason that guys should not choose Wicked now. We're ruling this thing, and we're here for you. Take care. Appreciate the support. Travis out.